Hello everyone, I'm Charles. Welcome to Graphic Design Quick Start. In today's episode, we'll be creating a face on a tree. This is the look we're aiming to achieve. As you can see in the layer panel, we have a couple of smart filters and manually generated masks. Let me show you how this is done. Let us switch to a starting composition. To start with, let us create a displacement mark. Right click on the tree layer, duplicate layer. On the document, create new. Let us call it tree displace. Click OK. Make sure to flatten the image. Right click, flatten image. Go to image, mode, convert to grayscale. Click on discard. Go to file, save. Since we'll be applying multiple filters, let us convert the face layer to a smart object. Right click, convert to smart object. To start with, let us swap the face along the tree. Go to edit, transform, warp, change the warp type to arch. That is quite exaggerated. Change the bend to 5. Change the horizontal scale to 5. Hit enter. Now if I want to change the effect, you can always go back to edit, transform, warp, and you can change the values to fit what you might need. Let us now apply the displacement. Go to filter, distort, displace, put a value of 7 on the horizontal and vertical scale. Click OK. Choose the tree displace pattern. Click open. To see what is going on as you make the changes, change the blending mode of the face layer to linear light. The effect is too much. Let us suck some of the color from the effect. Go to filter, filter gallery. Under sketch, choose chalk and charcoal. De-emphasize the shadows by dropping the charcoal area to 0. Emphasize the highlights by dragging the chalk area to its maximum, which is 20. Balance the contrast with a value of 1 in stroke pressure. Click OK. The effect is too much. Let us drop its opacity to 50. Double click on the slide bar on the light of filter gallery. Change the opacity to 50. Click OK. Let us lift up some of the shadows. Go to filter, other, high pass. Choose a radius of 20. Now we have some controlling around the shadows, and also the eyes are well lifted. Click OK. The high pass filter effect is too much. Double click on the slider on the light of high pass. Change the opacity to 50. Now let us suck all the colors from the layer. Go to adjustment layers. Here in saturation, click on the clipping mask icon. Drop the saturation to -100. Now let us mask the face layer. Go down to the layer panel. Click on add layer mask. Pick a blush tool. Blush above his eyebrows to the side of the face. Alt click on the layer mask thumbnail to see the progress. Pick the marquee tool. Lasso around layer mask. Go to select, inverse. Since your foreground is black, Alt delete to fill the layer mask with black. Alt click again on the layer mask thumbnail. Let us now make sure no shadow is darker than the shadows on the tree. Go to effects, color overlay. Pick a dark shade on the tree. Click OK. Change the blending mode to lighten. Click OK again. Let us now add the back color to the face. Control click on the face layer mask. Go to select, modify, expand by 30 pixels. Ctrl Alt J to jump the selection to a new layer. Let's call it color. Drag it above the stack. Change the blending mode to darken. Change the opacity to 50. It looks too natural. Let us apply a mask to bring back some of the highlights. Go down to the layer mask panel, on add mask. Pick a blush tool. Paint over the eyebrows, the eyes, the nose, above the lips, chin. Blink some highlights on the cheeks. Let us double click on a color overlay and add some shadow. Choose an angle of 35, opacity 50, the distance of 40, and a size of 30. Click OK. This helps the face to feel embossed. Let us now add the grooving of the tree to the shadows. Double click on the right hand side of the face layer. On the underline layer, drag the color triangle to 225. Hold Alt and drag the triangle to split it. Drag it to 50%. Click OK. Let me press F a couple of times. And there we have it. One of the many ways of masking a face on a tree. That's it for today. Like, share, and consider subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming episodes.